Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco. I'm back again. Yeah, so if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to YouTube channel. Say hi. Yeah, the chief caterers in the background. Yeah, so if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and turn notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Yeah, so today's video is about cocoyam porridge. Yeah, MPOTOMPOTO. Impium. That's what I'm about to do. So we have our ingredients and yeah, let's do this. So this is the ingredients for the impium. Yeah, this is cocoyam, and we have palm nuts over here. We have garlic, we have onion, we have pepper, we have dry smoked herring. Yeah, we have fresh tomatoes, and we have this salted fish over here. We're about to cook our palm nuts, and we first have to wash it. Yeah, so there are so many versions of MPOTOMPOTO cocoyam porridge, yeah, and this is one version of it. So you can use palm nuts to do it, or you can make stew. And this, yeah, so depending on the kind of choice, the version that you want.
Stew, red oil.
Red oil, okay. So as she said, with the stew, if you have to use red oil to make the stew, then you add in a cocoyam. Yeah, so it's time to peel our cocoyam. This food is one typical Ashanti food, and not only Ashantis love it, even Fantis, the whole tribe, let me put it that way. So this is how you be chopping the cocoyam in small sizes. So all the sizes are not the same. Some are bigger than the others. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. We're done with our peeling of cocoyam and cutting and chopping. Yeah. So we're washing it and yeah, from small pan to bigger pan. Yeah, so we now leave this thing inside the water. When the soup is ready, then we add this thing to the soup. Once waiting for the palm nut to get ready, we will start processing for the basics for the soup. So this is herring, dry smoked fish, and we'll take away the scale from the fish and the bones. After we are done, we give it a quick wash, then we add to the pot that will be used for the soup. And for the onion, since we'll be grinding it, we need to slice some to the fish so that we can use that for steaming or to steam it. Once the palm nut is ready, we put the pot of the soup on fire with the fish and the onion. So this is our wooden mortar and pestle that we'll be using to palm our palm nut. This is a local stuff that every typical home has this one. So it's been like 20-25 minutes since the nut's on fire, and now it's ready. So we start by pounding it, but before that we need to take the pepper off and put it aside, and we'll now focus on the pounding of the nuts. We are now adding our tomatoes to the steamed fish because we didn't want the tomatoes to get soft early. COCOYAM pottage. Yeah, this is locally made. Ifyeze. Yeah, and now we are using this method. You can also use stew to do it if you don't want to pass this process. Yeah, it's no Simmering. Yeah, record this. I'm gonna one corner now. Yeah. So now the pounding is okay, and we are using the water that was used to boil the nuts, the palm nuts. Yeah, we're using that one to mix, to do the mixings. So basically, this is like making palm nut soup. Yeah. So the basics or the foundation of this food or this porridge, like you have to do. First prepare palm nut soup, palm nut soup. Then through that, you'll be able to do your MPOTOMPOTO or NUHUU. Since the water is a bit warm, you're adding a bit of cold water to make the mixing. It's a local food, which all the tribe in Ghana loves it. So we catch the women in Puma. Ha! But this man too. Or the Ibomaza almost some wall for we bet. Oh, for them Pumozi. Hey, we may put them Pum. Wow. And when you drew Papa. Kumo, episode. So we do our first season. Yeah.
The piano will bang.
Now pour the what do you call it, the liquid into the soup or into the pot on fire, and this is the second sieving. Yeah. So as I said, basically it's like making palm nut soup. You can use any meat or fish that you want, anything of your choice, you can use it. Yeah, so this is our salted fish, locally known as atinkwem, meaning the inkwem will be in teams. Yeah, atinkwem. Okay, so we're about to grind our pepper and garlic, and this is the boiled pepper that was boiled together with the palm nut. Yeah. We're using the local blender. The thing will go. I thank you for you. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. So we are now adding our pepper to it, and yeah. So you make it the way that everything dissolves before you stir or you leave it inside the soup. Yeah. Okay. So onion is ready now, and we're taking out the onion. Yeah, so the onion and the tomatoes, they are ready, and we're blending them together or grinding them together with the local blender. Yeah, so at this point we'll be adding our cocoyam to the soup. And the salted fish that was added, has made the soup like it has given a different aroma or a different taste to it. So with that, you need to be careful when adding salt to it. So basically the soup will boil the cocoyam, so you don't need to add water to it because this is liquid already. So since the pot is full, we will take some and put it aside. When everything goes down, then we re-add it to it. Yeah, so it's full. If not, when it boils, to go inside the fire. Yeah. So very soon the tomatoes and the onion will also come inside, and they will take format. It's a no Simmering anyway. No gumen. Yeah. Potos. It is we put one. I said I put to be.
Tia, all
Okay. Yeah.
Obey,
Yeah, so our tomatoes is ready, and we're about to add them to the pot. Anyway, the pot was full of good. Yeah. And this food is something that you must be eating at least once every month. It's full of nutrients and high potential vitamins. Anyway, you can also use yam to do it. Yeah, you can use the same process, then you add yam to it. So those in abroad, since you can't be pounding the palm nut, you can buy inkulelu. Yeah, the thing. You can use that buy the inkulelu from the Afro shop, anyway, Afro store. No, so when you get to the Afro shop, you buy inkulelu. Or the thin one, then you try one of these abroad, yeah, wherever you are, you can still do it because you have cocoyam in some of the markets, yeah, not only the Afro shops, even the European markets, you can get cocoyam from some of the stores, yeah. So try this thing with your family. Let your small child or your children also try this African recipe, pure African food, and trust me, they will always request and. Yeah, we always request for more. So whilst we are stirring, we'll be mashing some of the cocoyam so that the soup or the food become thick. Yeah, become thick. Yeah. So when it gets soft, we mash it some. Yeah, so as you can see, we are mashing some of the cocoyam so that the whole thing will become thick and dense. Yeah, so that when eating, even if you don't have the big one inside, the whole like you still feel like you're eating cocoyam porridge. Yeah. So then answer from potompoto. You use answer from potompoto now.
I say about it.
About it. So I need to find out how the name potompoto. I don't know if it's because everything is being mixed inside or what. Anyway. So it's almost done and it's been on like 15-20 minutes stirring, and so for garnishing you can add some anything to it. This is pepper, green pepper for garnishing here, and oricodon. So make sure that when stirring you stir under very well so that it will not get stuck under. Yeah, as you can see. Hello brothers, sisters, yeah, so we are done with our cocoyam pottage or porridge, yeah, and this is how it looks like. Very nutritious food, amazing food, and we definitely love it. This food is served hot, but you need to be very careful, if not you end up burning your throat. So there's a way that you have to eat it. This is one typical local traditional food when it comes to Ghana, everybody loves it. As I said, you can also use yam to do it, and this is the COCOYAM version of it. Yeah, so I believe you can watch the steps and also prepare some of these things, this food at home. Very hot. You always must have water beside you because this, when it touches your throat and it's very hot, you need water to quench it down. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shezam and Nezam, COCOYAM porridge or pottage. Yeah, start be happy. One.